Moto Edge 50 Pro. Let's talk about this mobile features. So to see cool stuff like this, be sure to watch the video until the end and hit the subscribe button. You're free to hit the subscribe button now. So first of all, let's start with the display size. It comes with a 6.7 inches of 144Hz refresh rate supported, HDR10 plus content supported, Full HD plus resolution display, and it is a POLED display. So this was protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. When we talk about the heart, that is the processor of this mobile, that this is the first mobile that is coming with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, which is an octa-core 5G processor. Now when we talk about the 5G, it does comes with a lot of 5G bands. I will list the 5G bands in the description box down below. You can check it out from there. And this mobile comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, and this mobile will be available in only one variant, that is a 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. Now these are Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, UFS 4.0 storage capacity, and LPDDR5X RAM type. So combining all these three, we could get a killer performance from this mobile. Now move on to the next aspect, that is the cameras. This mobile comes with a triple cameras in the rear side, where we can find a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 13 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and 10 megapixels of periscopic zoom camera. So we can shoot. By the way, if you are loving the videos of my channel, I have given a links to other videos of my channel, which is in the description box down below, as well as here in this icon section, so you can go and watch them from there. With these mobiles, a great pictures. For the front, this comes with a humongous 50 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. Yes, 50 megapixels. So to power up all the beast mobile, that it comes with a 4500 milliamp hours of battery, which is quite good. It supports 125 watts of fast charge through, while 80 watts of wireless charge and 10 watts of reverse wireless charge. Now talk about this mobile's operating system. This mobile runs on Android version 14 out of the box with the Moto latest UI. And this mobile comes with a lot of features, like when we talk about the multimedia and support, this comes with a stereo speakers, no 3.5mm jack unfortunately, no. And this comes with a in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock ID obviously. This mobile comes with Wi-Fi 6E dual band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 5.3 and NFC. And this mobile doesn't skip any sensors. It has all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, and compass, everything. By the way, this mobile is also a IP68 water and dust resistant certified mobile. Don't worry about the rains. When we talk about the build quality, this is a leather back mobile with steel frame and with a glass front. So when we talk about the box contents, this mobile comes with a mobile itself inside the box, and a case, and also SIM ejector tool, and also the charger, and also some quick start guides and documentation. So these are the things that you will get in this box with this mobile. When we talk about this mobile's price, this mobile might comes with a price tag of 60,000 rupees, like 60,000 rupees. So if you want to purchase this mobile, you have to wait until April 3, because this mobile is going to release on April 3rd of 2024 this year. So on that day, I will post another video about this mobile. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to see the more videos. So you can hit it and also hit the bell icon. So thanks for watching the video.